Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create an account on Upwork. Whether you're looking to hire talent or offer your services as a freelancer, setting up your Upwork account is the essential first step to accessing this global marketplace. Let's get started. Open your web browser and navigate to upwork.com. Once the homepage loads, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see a Sign Up button. Click on it to begin the registration process. Next, you'll be asked to choose your account type. Upwork offers two main options, client or freelancer. If you're looking to hire professionals for projects, select client. If you're planning to offer your services and find work, choose freelancer. After making your selection, click Apply to move forward. Now it's time to fill in your personal information. You'll see designated fields where you need to enter your first name and last name. Make sure to enter these exactly as they appear on your official documents for verification purposes later on. Following that, you'll need to provide your email address and create a strong password for your account. Choose a password that's secure and memorable, as this will be your key to accessing the platform. Then select your country from the drop-down menu. This helps Upwork tailor the experience to your location and ensures compliance with local regulations. Once you've filled in all the required information, click Create My Account. This submits your registration details to Upwork and initiates the account creation process. Now head over to your email inbox. Upwork will have sent you a verification email to confirm your address. Open this email and click the verification link inside. This step is crucial as it activates your account and confirms that you own the email address you provided. After verifying your email, you'll be redirected back to Upwork where you'll need to complete your profile setup. Here you'll add your basic details and work information. This might include your professional background, skills, experience, or business needs, depending on whether you're a freelancer or client. Take your time with this section as a complete profile helps you get the most out of the platform. And that's it. You've successfully created your Upwork account, and you're ready to start exploring opportunities or finding the right talent for your projects. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.